Good morning, students. I hope you are fine and healthy. Firstly, student, if you have completed your holiday homework, then submit it in the school. Now, in the month of May, we were solve exercise 3D, and now we will solve question number 6 of this exercise. This exercise is related to the division of decimals. Okay. Now question number 6 first part is 16.46 divided by 20. From 20 we have to divide 16.46. Okay. For this 20 16.46. Okay. We know very well 16 is less than 20. So it is not divisible by 20. So for this we will mark 0 and place a point after 0, because now we are going to take first three digits. Then it becomes 164. Okay. Now 28 is 160 as we know. Okay. Now subtract 160 from 164, we get 4 as remainder. Now carry 6, then it becomes 46. Now from 20, 46 will be divided by 2, because 22 is 40. Now 6 will be remainder. We have marked point before, so it will give us single 0, then it becomes 60, and 23 is 60. I hope it is clear. Now second part is 403.8 divided by 30. 403.8. We know very well 40 can be divisible by 30. 30 ones are 30. When we subtract, we get 10 as remainder. Now take 3 as carry, then it becomes 103. We know 33 is 90. When we subtract, we get 13 as remainder. Okay, now I am going to take 8 as carry, but before 8 there is a point. So we will mark a point in the quotient and carry 8. Now it becomes 130. We know 34 is 120. So 13 is 120. When we subtract, we get 18 as remainder. Since we have marked point in the quotient, then this point will give us a single 0, then it becomes 180. Now 36 is 180, and this is completely divisible. So answer is 13.46. Third part is 19.2 divided by 80. 19. We know very well 19 is not divisible by 80, because 19 is smaller than 80. So for this we will mark 0 and take point in the quotient. Okay. Now we will take all three digits, because we have marked point in the quotient. Now it will become 192. Okay. We know very well 18 to the 160. 18 to the 160. Now forget point here, because we have marked point in the quotient. Now subtract 2, 9 minus 6, we get 32 is remainder. Now there is no next digit to take carry, so we will mark 0, because we have point in the quotient. Point will give us a single 0.19, then it becomes 320. Now we know 84 jump 320, so it is completely divisible. Answer will be 0.24. Sixth part of this question, it is 18.08 divided by 400. 400 से हमें 18.08 को डिवाइड करना है. 400 से 18 तो डिविजिबल नहीं है because 18 is smaller than 400. Now for this we will mark 0 in the question. Now there is point, then we will mark point and take the next digit. It is 180. 180 is also not divisible by 400. Now for taking the next digit, we will mark 0 in the question because 180 is not divisible by 400. Now we will take all 4 digits, it becomes 1808. And 1808 is divisible by 400. 400 4s are 1600. Now when we subtract, we get 8, 0, 8 minus 6, 2, 200. Since we have point in the quotient, then this point will give us a single 0, then it becomes 2080. Now 2080 is divisible by 400, 405 are 2000. When we subtract, we get 80 as remainder. Now again point give us 0 as carry, become 800 and 400 2s are 800. So our answer is 0.0452. Question number 7, it is also related to division, and first part is 3.28 by 0.8. Actually in this question there is point in both dividend and divisor. So first we will convert this question as question number 6. We will remove point of the divisor. For this we will write 3.28 as denominator and 0.8 as numerator. When we remove point of the denominator, then 10 will come in the numerator as multiplication, because after point there is one digit, then we will mark 10. When we remove point, then 1 will come in the numerator, and after point how many digits, then we will mark as 0 as in the number digits in the denominator. So when we multiply 10 by 3.8, it becomes 32.8. Because I told you when we multiply, then point shift in the right hand side. Then in denominator it becomes 8. Now we have to divide 32.8 by 8. 8, 32.8. We know very well 8 4 is 32. When we subtract 32 by 32, we get 0. Now after 32 there is point, so we will mark point in the quotient and carry 8. Okay, 8 ones are 8. When we subtract 8 from it, we get 0. So 4.1 is our answer. I hope it is clear. Now second part. Second part is 0.288 by 0.5. First we will remove the decimal of denominator, it means divisor. For this we will write 0.288 in numerator and 0.9 in the denominator. When we remove point of the denominator, then 1 comes in the multiplication of numerator, and after point there is 1 digit, so we will mark 1 0 after 1. When we multiply 10 to 0.288, we get 2.88, because in 10 there is 1 0, so point will remove shift one place in the right hand side, and in the denominator there is 9. Now we will divide 2.88 by 9. Here 2 is not divisible by 9, so we will mark 0 in the quotient. After 2 there is point, so we will mark point in the quotient and it becomes 20. Now 28 is divisible by 9, so 9 3 is 27. Now we subtract 27 from 28, we get 1 as remainder. Now carry 8 and 9 is 18. When we subtract 18 from 18, we get 0. So our answer is 0.32. Third part is 25.395 by 1.5. In this question, we will also remove point of divisor, which is 1.5. For this, we will write 25.395 in numerator and 1.5 in denominator. When we remove point of the denominator, then 1 comes in the numerator in multiplication. After point there is 1 digit, so we will take 1 0 after 1. So when we multiply 10 in the 25.395, it becomes 253, because point will shift one place in the right hand side, because in the 10 there is 10.95 and in the denominator there is 50. Now we will divide 253.95 by 15. 253.95. We know that 25 is divisible by 15. 15 is 50. When we subtract, we get 10 as the remainder. Take next digit, which is 3 as carry. It becomes 103. So 15 is 90. When we subtract, we get 3, that means 30. Now we will take 9 as carry, but before 9 there is point, so we will mark point in the quotient and take 9 as carry. Now it becomes 139. We know that 15 9 are 135. When we subtract, we get 4 as remainder. Now take 5 as carry, and we know that 15 is 45. When we subtract 45 from 45, we get 0. So our answer is 16.95. Now I am going to solve 8th part of this question, which is 11.04 by 1.6. First we will remove point of the divisor. 11.04 write as denominator and 1.6 as denominator. Now we will remove point of the denominator. When we remove point, we get 1 in the numerator. After point there is 1 digit, then we will mark 1 0 after 1. So when we multiply 10 in 11.04, then point will shift one place to the right hand side, because in 10 there is 1 0, so it becomes 110.4 upon 6. Now from 16 we will divide 110.4. 110.4. Okay, we know very well 110 is divisible by 16. So 16 is 96. Okay, now subtract 96 from 110, we get 10 minus 6, that means 9, and 10 minus 9 when we subtract 96 from 110, we get 14 as remainder. Okay, now take 4 as carry, but before 4 there is point. So we will mark point in the question and take 4 as carry. Now 16 9 is 144. Then we subtract to get 0. So our answer is 6.9. Now student, you will solve all the remaining part of this question.